Aslamta speaking. In today's video, I am going to share some super useful Excel shortcuts that will help you work faster and more efficiently. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, these tips will definitely save your time and make your workflow smoother. So let's get started. So first I am going to show how you can add your serial number automatically. For that first I already have a data, and now I am going to use a small formula. First, equal to 1 shift plus and select the cell and enter, and it will come like this, and double tap and it will come entirely like this. Instead of we type 1 2 3, instead of like that we typing, that will waste us time. Instead of that we can use this formula, and it will save our time. And second, we are going to see a sum formula. Usually what we do, we use calculator to add the data. That will extremely waste our time. Instead of that, we are going to see a formula that equal to sum shift open bracket and select the data, whatever the data you wanted to be added, and close the bracket and enter, and it will come as a total data, and double tap the total, and it will entirely added the data, and this will extremely help us to save our time and do the work faster. And third, I'm going to show a flash fill. So here is the data, and I want to separate the first name, last name and age, but I don't want to sit and type like first name all and last name all and age. Instead of that, I'm doing a shortcut which help our time. First we have to select the empty data and control plus E. See, it entirely come a first name of the data and has same last name, control plus E, and age, control plus E, and this will help our time. And as I said, I don't want to sit and type, and this is a shortcut which help us the time. And fourth, we are going to see a calculation of 20% of bonus with a salary. As I said, I don't want to use the calculator. Instead of that, I'm going to show a formula that will calculate the salary with the bonus, 20% of bonus. So first we have to enter the formula that equal to, and select the salary cell, and into 20 divided by 100 plus select the cell and enter, and it will calculate the data, and double tap the data, and it will entirely calculate the 20% of the bonus and with the salary. And fifth, we are going to see how to hide and unhide the cell. So first we want to select the cell you want to hide. So click the selected cell and control plus 9, and the entire row will be hidden. If you don't want to hide the cell means, and also you can unhide the cell by using control plus shift plus 9, and it will be unhided the cell. And sixth, we are going to see how to strike through the data. So first, if you want to strike this data, first select the data and control plus 5, and it will strike. If you want this to be strike, control plus 5. If you don't want to strike and you want to return it back means, you can also do control plus Z will be, and control plus Z will be back to the data, and also control plus z will be back to the data. If you want to strike means control plus 5. And seventh, we are going to see a how to number format, time format, and date and currency and percentage formats. So first here is a data, and I want to change this data as in number format. So first shift plus 1 is a number format, and the same I want to change this in date means control plus shift plus 3 is a date format, and has same this I want to change in currency format means has same control plus shift plus 4 is a currency format, and has same I want to change this data as in percentage format means control plus shift plus 5 is a percentage format. And 8, we are going to see a email addressing, and here is a data, and I want to create a email address of each of them, but I don't want to sit and type like adamsmithabc.com like all. I don't want to do like that. Instead of that, I am using a formula in useful way. First we have to apply the formula equal to and select the first name of the cell, and shift plus and shift plus open quotation dot shift plus open quotation and shift plus and select the second name, last name, and shift plus and shift plus open quotation and shift plus at and shift plus open quotation and shift plus and third name, and enter, and it will come like this. And now I want to have same as all, double tap, and it will come like this. And now we are going to see a fill color option. So if you want this row to be in color mode means first you have to select the column. First we have to select the column, and I selected the column, and here is the fill color option, and here is a lots of color. Whatever the color you touch, the row will be changed in the color mode. So if you want blue means blue, if you want yellow means yellow, if you want purple means purple, whatever the color you can add it. So if you want more color option means there is a more color, and you can customize the color, standard customize the color. So if you want blue means blue, it will added in blue, and here is the blue color option. If you want this column in blue, this column to be in color mode option means if you can also select the row, and same has a fill color and green. Whatever the color you touch, there is a color can be changed. So I want green means green, so it changed like in fill color option. 10th, we are going to see how to table form the data. So here is the data, and I want these datas are in table form. So first we have to select the datas, whatever the data you wanted to be in table form. So first I selected the datas and apply the shortcut Alt plus HBA. Yes, and the datas are in table form. If you don't want this datas in table form means if you want it to return it back means control plus Z will be back to the form. Thank you so much for watching this video in your quality times. I hope these shortcuts and formulas will help you in somewhere and sometimes. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video.